Today we'll talk about how can you find your activity on your GC app. We'll go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on profile down here, just click on it. So then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do, you just click here on activity here, just click on it. Then you come to next step here, then here you will find all activity, you will find it here, your ratings here and your chips in here recently viewed. So then in here recently purchased here. Here you will find all activity you have on your GC app. It's going to show for you like this. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.